Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful, all-natural weight loss drink that might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Not only is this drink easy to prepare, but it's also packed with incredible health benefits. Let's get started. This drink has proven to be highly effective. Based on my personal experience, I achieved noticeable results. To begin, we'll require onion peels, with a preference for those from red onions. Onion peels. Often discarded, onion peels are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and boosts metabolism. This can help the body burn fat more efficiently. Red onion peels are especially potent, as they contain a high concentration of beneficial compounds that are highly effective in targeting and reducing belly fat. Make sure to thoroughly wash the onion peels to remove any dirt or impurities before using them. We also need half lemon slices. Lemons are well known for their detoxifying properties. They are high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and improves digestion, helping the body to flush out toxins and reduce belly fat. Cut the lemon into slices, leaving the peel on. In a saucepan, add the washed onion peels and lemon slices. Pour in half a liter of water. Place the saucepan on the stove and simmer the mixture over low heat for 5 minutes. As the ingredients begin to boil, you'll notice the water gradually changing color, transforming into a rich red hue. Parsley. Parsley is more than just a garnish. It's a natural diuretic that helps reduce water retention and bloating. It's also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which support overall health. Once you turn off the stove, promptly add a small bunch of parsley to the mixture. Allow it to cool for 30 minutes. Then, strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer to remove the solid particles. For a week's supply, simply double the quantity of the recipe demonstrated. Store the prepared mixture in an airtight container and refrigerate it to maintain its freshness. Consume the drink on an empty stomach, preferably first thing in the morning or before your main meals for optimal results. Have a warm cup of this drink every day before you eat. If you're overweight, you can have up to 2 cups a day. Honey. Honey adds a touch of sweetness to our drink, but it's also packed with antioxidants and has natural anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to soothe the digestive system and support weight loss by regulating blood sugar levels. Sweeten with honey. While the drink is still warm, add a tablespoon of honey. Stir well to dissolve the honey completely. Your weight loss drink is now ready for use. You should begin to see remarkable results within just 3 days, including a flatter and tighter belly, along with a slimmer and more sculpted physique. The ingredients in this drink are specifically selected to aid in calorie burning and support your weight loss goals. Continue consuming the drink regularly until you achieve the desired results. The time required to see noticeable changes may vary based on factors such as the size of your abdomen and your body's natural fat-burning rate. I have personally used this recipe and found it to be highly effective. To see the best results, drink a cup of this weight loss drink every morning on an empty stomach. You can also have another cup before bed. Consistency is key, so try to make it a part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health and beauty tips.